God. It's your boy Neil back with another banger, and if you see it's a different POV, we're in the E46. And don't mind the clanking, we're gonna figure this out. I don't know what it's clanking, could be did, as you've seen in the, I don't know if y'all can hear me, put the windows up. But in the last video, I adjusted the camber and I did everything. But I don't know why it's still, like, it's clanking, and you can hear it's loud. So I don't know what that is. Honestly, I don't know if it's the axle binding, or if y'all know, I don't know what sound, I don't know what's, I gotta take it up. You see the lime is all fucked and shit. It's bad, but it sits pretty, you know. That's all that matters, huh? Shit still move. I do? Yeah. It don't matter. Yo, I don't know what's clanking. It's pissing me off. I don't know what's fucking up. Record it when I go over the speed bump on your phone. He's not doing it now when I hold the wheel like this.
Sideways. This shit low. You gotta go sideways. Wait, do I gotta go sideways?
We over the bump. Oh, that X6 is tough. We wanna park up, get some food. Yeah, I think it's right, because I think what we came to accuse that is rubbing bad. And I understand it's rubbing, but that's not rubbing right now. That's clanking. So I don't know what's wrong with it. It's the first ride. It's not going to be the smoothest ride. I already know that for a fact. Come this way, come. I know the first ride is never going to be the best ride, but shit, you made it. YouTube, because last year, around this time last year, I smacked the wall and messed up the control arm. So, got the new control arm here. We're about to put it in. Gonna give you a little POV drive. So, it's easy. Bolt here, 1, 2, 3, boom. Nuts out. We'll get that shit out. All right, there, boy. Ah. All right.
That brown there, motherfucker.
Yep.
Yeah, I didn't even stuck in that motherfucking bar joint, but I didn't, boy. Let's see. I tell you what wrong with it. What the fuck? Where the fuck? That one gone.
That one's
This the new gear shift.
But the thing is, it's not even bent. Did it bend?
Now let's compare it to the old bus. So this the old one, this the new one. It don't even look bad.
It don't even look like it bent.
It don't even look bad.
Not at all.
The only thing that broken on is
It's all the bushings.
bushing shot.
That hit must have really fucked it up, huh?
God
Damn.
That shit ain't moving.
That shit's just separated.
Yeah, you see how the difference is? The build quality?
Yep.
Of that hole?
Wow.
So.
That should be an easy slide in.
Wait.
We gotta pull it up some?
That motherfucker back here. That motherfucker.
Here we go.
Man.
Bring it down.
Turned it, motherfucker.
Like that.
Get in there. Hold on.
We put the get that light going for y'all. or yeah, that'd be fine. But I finally we got the control arm on. We broke the spacer, so now the spacer, no spacer on this side, spacer on that side. But I'm gonna take that off tomorrow, or by the time you see the video, it's gonna be thing. But it's no longer clanking. The next thing we got to do is fix this mirror because that's holding on by a thread. It might fall off on this drive because we're about to go pick up some food real quick. And then the rear bumper, and then the car is basically good. And then I'm about to take the wrap off and then paint it. I already know what color I'm gonna do, but I'm not gonna tell y'all yet. But we're gonna give y'all a little POV drive in the 46, the FBO 46, FBO. Crack a window so y'all can really hear it. Let's hope we don't get pulled over. We gotta just full send it out the driveway. Is that, I think that's a cop right there. Oh no, it's not. Okay, we're good. You can hear it's no longer making that clanking sound. It's good to have this car back on the road. It's a great feeling to have this car back, I swear. And I know y'all gonna love this content with this car. We get the bike back tomorrow, so I'm gonna get a GoPro and stuff situated on my helmet for that. That's gonna be fun too. But for the time being, we're having the 3 vehicles. I'm gonna get a bunch of different content. We're doing the rebuild series on this. I think this is a rebuild series or whatever is going on. But that's gonna be fun, getting this car back to its purest form. I want to get this car ready for Gatlinburg, so it takes time. But this car is running so smooth now; it's not clanking. If you guys saw how cooked the bushings were on the old control arm. That's the side on this side I hit the wall. It is cooked. I didn't know it was that bad. Like, it was really bad. You gonna pull up in front of me. Next thing we got to do is once I take the control arm and have everything good and set, I gotta do an oil change urgently, real bad. It's so urgent to do this oil change. It's bad, but I'm about to go pick up the food and I'm gonna cut on the ride back. So we're back, picked up the food. I hope y'all been enjoying the content, especially now since we have the E46 back. Yeah, I'm gonna get a little bit more content because this is a car that I'm actually working on instead of like the F10. The F10, there's nothing wrong with it. It's just doing mods. But this is getting worked on and stuff like that. So I gotta fix these headlights because you could barely see out this thing. But got a little bit more tweaks because I am taking the car to Connecticut this weekend for I forget the name of the meet. There's a meet that I'm taking this car to. It's not going to be in the meet. I'm just going to the meet. But you know, you're in the spectator lot. You try and make your car look somewhat decent for a spectator lot. So I think Jaheim's coming with me. I'm not 100% sure, but it's going to be fun if we do end up going out there. I know there's another meet in May. What gear am I in? I don't even remember what gear I'm in. In May in Manhattan that I'm going to, and hopefully the car is looks somewhat pretty by then, because I want to get my rims and stuff by then. Hopefully have like a month, so let me get that situated, hopefully. Hopefully. Oh, I still got the skill to do this rev matching. I haven't drove a manual car in a year. It's been mad long since I drove manual, yo. I can't even lie to you. It's been a minute. But it feels good to get back in it. It's like I never left. I think soon I'm gonna have to do a whole cooling overhaul, because there was a cooling light earlier, but we get into that when it happens. Never did I just get stuck. Full send it. Ugh. But hope you enjoyed the video. You want to get more amazing content like this, hit that like button, subscribe, turn on post notifications. But until then, on your out. Peace.